This is incredible. Tech stocks are exploding today as the QQQ is making a new yearly high. Apparently, Tesla is the only one not yet in the mood. However, the recent price action has significant implications for the long term. And in my opinion, this might bring some excellent opportunities out there soon. So let's see what's happening here. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, and here we see the tech stocks ETF QQQ, which replicates the Nasdaq Index ETF. And since it found a bottom level over here around the support level of this descending channel, it has been doing nothing but an insane rally. I mean, we can't even consider this a bull trend because a bull trend is made of higher highs, higher lows. We don't see higher highs, higher lows yet. We only see one single bullish leg to the next resistance level, and this is it. We don't see this going on, right? Higher highs, higher lows. There is only an insane rally going on over here, and I'm gonna confess to you guys, this makes me a little bit nervous because we could see a pullback anytime right now. And honestly, if we see a pullback from here right after reaching the $387 resistance level, the previous top level, the previous yearly high over here from July this year, I would not be surprised at all. This is the best place for a bearish reaction. What's the problem? The problem is that we don't see any confirmation yet. We don't see any crystal clear top signal triggered yet. Therefore, QQQ tech stocks are still insanely bullish. And how this affects our stocks over here, if we take a look at Tesla, for instance, Tesla is the most problematic mega cap stock right now at this moment because unlike the indices, unlike QQQ, Tesla is in a bull trend. Tesla is making higher highs, higher lows. Recently, last week, we found a support level right around the $226 or support level, which we have been talking about a lot. And apparently, we are trying to react from here. In this scenario, in theory, Tesla is supposed to continue the bullish momentum over here and seek higher levels. What's the problem? The problem is that the indices are still insanely bullish. If we see a pullback on QQQ, probably Tesla is going to be affected by this pullback, and it could even ruin the midterm bullish configuration over here, because if we lose the 226 support level, nothing could stop us from getting to the $206 again. So we gotta be careful here around this support level. We gotta keep our eyes open at the 206 support level and to the QQQ over here, because tech stocks are in a delicate moment right now. And although Tesla is not making an insane rally as the indices and many other stocks are doing, Tesla at least is making bullish chart structures on the daily chart. Tesla is the stock that is making the clearest movements, at least to me right now at this moment, because if we take a look at Apple, for instance, insane rally since the previous bottom level on October 26th. So we have been rallying for nearly 1 month right now. We just closed it. This gap over here, there is no top signal yet, but it does look a little bit overbought. Microsoft is making a new all-time high today. All-time high. We have yet to see a pullback. We have yet to see a correction. We have been rallying for almost a month over here as well. Google closed this gap over here. It is already showing some weakness signals, but there is nothing surprising over here. We gotta see a better reaction to believe that Google is going to actually trigger a pullback. Amazon struggling to break the previous resistance level over here from September this year, which is, by the way, very close to the resistance level seen from August last year. So yes, this is a significant resistance level for Amazon as well, and it is struggling at this key point. Even Berkshire Hathaway is having a few problems right here because because although we triggered this bullish chart structure, to me it feels like it was too fast, right? I mean, we crashed it over here, retested the 21 EMA for 1, 2, 3 days, and then we resumed the rally over here. So these movements, they do make me a little bit nervous. NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA reaching the yearly high as well, which is the all-time high, trying to make, I'm so sorry, I think it did make a new all-time high today, and it feels like it is just unstoppable. So many stocks are facing important resistance levels, as QQQ, as SPY are facing right now. So if we see a pullback on the indices, if we see a pullback on stocks, that would not be surprising at all. What is missing over here is confirmation. We gotta wait for confirmation, because only selling or shorting because we reached a support level, I'm so sorry, a resistance level, it feels like it is a little bit too reckless right now. The market is insanely bullish. So we gotta see some bearish confirmation first. NVIDIA should trigger a crystal clear bearish reversal candlestick pattern over here. Tesla, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, they all should trigger meaningful bearish candlestick and chart structures in order to convince me that they are gonna correct. NVIDIA is going to report earnings tomorrow, so this might be a catalyst for a pullback, and again, any pullback to the previous support level, like to the 21 EMA on the daily chart, in my humble opinion, would be nothing but a buying opportunity, because NVIDIA is bullish, and because if it triggers a pullback, the risk-reward ratio will be more attractive. Last time NVIDIA triggered a buy signal to me was here at this hammer over here. And we did surf this bullish movement over here together on my Telegram channel. Therefore, if you're not a subscriber, consider joining our Telegram channel to get access to my trading ideas, trading strategies, risk management tips, and much more. So join our Telegram channel for more signals. Now, Tesla, similarly, we also nailed it. The bottom levels on Tesla over here together, but right now, it is trying to make another bottom signal. The only problem relies on how the indices are going to behave from here, because they could easily trigger a pullback, ruining the bullish sentiment over here on Tesla, at least mid-term speaking, because long-term speaking, Tesla is looking just phenomenal. There is absolutely nothing wrong with Tesla. So to me, Tesla is looking great. To me, Tesla is going to eventually break this descending channel upwards. There is absolutely no technical evidence that could possibly convince me that this scenario is not going to materialize. Tesla, long-term speaking, is still looking very good. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, today is November 20. We're about to close the monthly candlestick over here. If we close like this, just above this support area, I believe that would be a very good bottom signal, long-term speaking. So Tesla has everything to fly again. QQQ is making what seems to be, to me at least, this candlestick pattern is called 3-line strike. You may just Google it, 3-line strike. One single bullish candlestick wiping out the previous 3 bearish candlesticks over here. This is just a phenomenal bullish candlestick pattern, which suggests long-term bullish continuation. Of course, mid-term speaking, we could see some correction, and I do hope we're gonna see some correction, because only a correction would bring more opportunities to us, more opportunities to buy, maybe even an opportunity to sell or to short in order to take advantage of the downwards movement. But right now, there is no top signal. SPY, no top signal. In fact, we are about to close this gap over here, $455, which I have been talking about for months right now. I couldn't possibly imagine that we would close this gap over here in one single bullish leg, since we did trigger this above the stomach candlestick pattern around $417 over here. This is just phenomenal. So, oh, and by the way, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, Spike, QQQ, Nvidia, and other stocks. So join this channel, join this community, and click the like button to support me as well. It is very important. Now, yes, we are making a very strong bullish candlestick pattern, and it feels like apparently we are totally unstoppable. Could this be a possible exhaustion bar? It could, but again, there is no meaningful bearish confirmation yet. The market is still insanely bullish, and to me, since Tesla has the best risk-reward ratio at this moment, Tesla is the best stock for swing trading purposes. So I'm focusing on Tesla right now, but if the market triggers a pullback, many other stocks would look very impressive. So remember, join our Telegram channel to keep in touch with my swing trading signals. Join this channel, subscribe, click the like button. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.